Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be finding out how to clean the extractor fan in your bathroom. It's a good idea to get into the habit of regularly cleaning your extractor fan. This will help to keep your bathroom fresh and free of moisture, which can help to prevent mold. If it's not extracting effectively, you can put it on boost mode. To clean your extractor fan, first turn off the power to the extractor fan at the mains using the isolator switch. Please note that fans should not be turned off at the isolator switch unless it's for maintenance purposes. Next, remove the outer cover of the fan and wipe the inside of the fan with a damp cloth. Lastly, use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dust or dirt from the fan blades. Reassemble the fan and turn the power back on. And that's it! You've now cleaned your extractor fan and it's ready to use again. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.